What's up with it, you guys? It's your girl, Faye. And I'm back again with another video. Period, boo. And as you can tell by the title, I'm going to be doing a hair tutorial in this video. I'm actually filming from like the present day. Today is February 14th because I forgot to do the intro. Well, I did, but I made a mistake and deleted it. So, yeah, and happy Valentine's to everybody. I hope y'all enjoy y'all day. Enjoyed y'all day or enjoy your day, you know. And yeah, stay tuned. Like, comment, subscribe, join my gang, join my squad. And I'm out. Hey y'all, so I'll be doing a voiceover for this video. Here I'm taking my Shine Jam and placing it around my edges. And then I'll take my teaser brush or tease brush, whatever you guys like to call it, and kind of brush it to form and slick it. Well, to basically form it, because I want my hair slick, as you can see. And here I will take a brush to brush it backwards, like to brush it all back. And then I'll flip my hair to get the back to brush it up. Because like I said, I want my hair slick, like S-L-I-C-K. And then I'll take my gel and I will take water. That's what I did. I don't know if you guys caught on to that, but yeah, that's water and gel, and mix it. And I got the back. Now just rubbed it in the back of my hair. And then here you will see me kind of forming my ponytail, because I want my ponytail in the front, like literally in the front. And I want the back smooth or slick, you know. I'm taking my scrunchie and I will place my scrunchie on my hair. And then I basically will just do this over again to make sure that my hair is slick how I want it. So here is the weave that I will be using. I only have a little, but you're my business. Don't do that, boo. But yeah, here you will see me attaching the weave to my real hair, in which basically I will do the same thing that I did in my last video, in my last hair tutorial. Take a short piece, you know, wrap the scrunchie around it to tie it in, and the long piece is at the back. So here I am combing the hair out to make sure it's straight or whatever. So now I will begin twisting and twisting. But before I start twisting, hold up, wait, gotta tighten it. And now we twist. So after I got done twisting, I just started wrapping, as you can see, and then I'm done. Period, boo. So here my head looks so freaking big. Like, I got this thing sitting on the top of my head and it looks so big. I really didn't like it, but at the end it turned out really, really cute. So yeah, go on with that big head. But okay, you're my business, don't do that. Here I'll be showing y'all what I'm using for my edges, in which I'm using Gorilla Snot and an edge toothbrush. I am not going to do my edges on here because it was kind of hard. So yeah, and y'all really couldn't see like that. I don't know why I didn't get the light, but I will be taking my edges out though. So yeah, here's me taking my edges out. And then after I take my edges out, I'll be looking like a baddie. So here's me with this big old freaking headband on, you know, make my head look like 3 times as big as it is. And then here's me with my CC headband. Go shop with me. So that's the end of this video. Y'all, I hate that it's so small, but this all of the hair that I had left. But anyways, I like it. The edges are like, I don't know, I probably do like this, but they like this, because I tried to do it like cute, but it ain't work. So anyways, my camera's about to go dead. Make sure you guys like, comment, subscribe, join my gang. LOL, yes, my camera ended up going dead, but like, comment, subscribe, join my gang, join my squad. See you guys in my next video.